Today we're going to continue with exclamations. Remember to write an exclamation correctly. An exclamation begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation point. We use words like this, that, these, and those to help make explanations clearer. So the sentence, "You have so many paintings," begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation point. It is an exclamation. The second sentence says, "That painting is my favorite." It's also an exclamation. The word "that" helps to make it clear which painting the writer likes best. So we're going to write each exclamation, begin and end the sentences correctly. So for this art class is always fun, we just need to add the exclamation point, right? We already have our capital letter here. The word "this" helps us to know which art class they're talking about, and that which one's always fun. Number 2, we are missing our capital letter on "our," so we need to capitalize the O. Our art teacher is the best. Exclamation point at the end. She thinks of great ideas. Okay, we're missing a capital, and I don't see an exclamation point at the end. And then all the children love these pictures. Again, we're missing capital, an exclamation point, and we have the word "these" helping us to know which pictures the children love. Okay, we're going to get a little bit more practice in a second in your reader's notebook. So let's go there now. On page 162, it's your turn. You're going to write the sentences as an exclamation. Remember to begin with a capital letter and end with an exclamation point. So you're just going to rewrite them using a capital to start the sentence and that exclamation point, I don't know why I can't say that word, at the end to show the strong feeling. Okay? When you're done with 1 through 5, please come back to the video. Please turn to page 42 in your student book. Here we're just going to review what we've learned about exclamations this week. A sentence that shows a strong feeling is called an exclamation. An exclamation begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation point. Remember, words like this, that, these, and those can be used to say things with strong feeling and can make the exclamation more clear. So, you are a great artist. See the blue? We have our capital and our exclamation point. That is such a beautiful painting. Art class is so much fun. Note the capital and the exclamation point. Okay? So you're going to pause the video and work on this try this activity. You're going to write each exclamation correctly on another sheet of paper. Okay? This is very similar to what you did. You don't have to write them on a separate sheet of paper, but just tell your learning adult what each sentence needs yet. And then we're going to look at grammar and writing. When you revise your writing, try using exclamations to make it exciting, and each one with an exclamation point. Okay, so you can pause the video, talk about these sentences, and come back when you're done. If you need further practice in connecting grammar to writing, and you feel like you are not understanding it very well yet, this is an additional practice page. This is very similar to what we've been doing the last couple of Reader's Notebook pages, and it was very similar to the Try This that you just did with your learning adult from your student book, page 43. But you are going to revise each sentence to make it an exclamation. Okay, each one already starts with a capital, so all you need to do is add some words that might help make the sentence more clear. So I like blue the best instead of just I like blue. Okay. You could be more specific about Mandy's picture or what Carl likes to paint. And if you would like to, okay, adding and being more specific and having those keywords like this, that, these, and those, okay, those are very useful. So you can practice page 166, connecting what we've been learning in grammar and exclamations to your writing.